Hello there and welcome back to another video here on the channel Wound Up Watch Reviews. In this video we're going to be unboxing yet another Squale. So yes, in case you missed it, I did unbox and make a first impressions video of this gorgeous Squale right here, the 60 Atmos. And if you watched the video on that watch, you know that it's not my personal watch. I only have it on loan. However, this watch is mine. I ordered this 2 days ago and it just arrived and everything seems to be great. So we're going to be unboxing it. It's a Squale 1521. It's black with a polished case and it comes on the rubber strap. So I am super excited to check this one out, but we have to complete one thing first, and that is the wristwatch check. Today, just as many other days, I am wearing my beloved Omega Seamaster Diver 300M. Great watch. It has been averaging at around plus 0.2 seconds per day for the last 7 days, which is just amazing. So super duper happy with this watch. And yeah, this is probably a watch that I'll keep for my entire life. So without any more rambling, let's just cut into this box. Here it is. Great. Okay, sweet. So we also get this really nice booklet. So Squale, some information about the brand and some of their models. Wow, nice pictures. Awesome, high quality. Sweet. Well, thank you very much. And here is the box itself. It's the exact same box as the 60 Atmos comes in, so nothing different here. Oof, here we go. Now I have never seen this watch in real life. I have only seen it in pictures, but I'm sure it'll look amazing. So let's just get into it. And there it is. Awesome. This is gorgeous. And it's not gorgeous in the same way that the 60 Atmos is, but this is gorgeous in another way. This is so tooly. This is so tool-tastic, if you will. Wow. Okay, so I can already feel the amazing quality of the rubber strap here. It feels amazing. Great. So as you can see, the specific model that I got is the Squale 1521 with the polished case. First impressions, I'm not complaining. It's great. So yes, black 1521, polished case and with this really nice rubber strap, and I do feel a scent already. Okay, so yes, this does smell like vanilla. Now I have never smelt vanilla from a rubber strap before, and I never believed people when they said that it had a strong smell or scent of vanilla, but okay, now I definitely do believe them because this smells a lot like vanilla. Awesome. Now let's get this plastic piece off the sapphire crystal. There we go. And just look at this. This is such a nice looking watch. It is not a luxury watch by any means. No, not at all. This is a tool watch. This is supposed to be a beater watch, a watch that you can rely on. It's robust. It's probably going to be keeping decent time. I'm sure the loom is quite great too. And let's see how the bezel feels. Oh yeah, that is great. So this is this a 60 click? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this is a 60 click bezel. Some people do not like that. However, I actually quite like it because I think it's easier to use. As you can see, the bezel insert is probably aluminium. So it's not a ceramic bezel insert, but I think it looks fantastic. And I love that it is aluminium actually, because that means it will age with time. And I just love that. Now, what's maybe most impressive about the Squale 1521 and other Squales, except maybe this one where the dial is extremely impressive, and of course also the bezel, is the case of the watch. Squale makes some of the most beautiful and best cases out there. They have manufactured and probably even designed cases for big brands like Blancpain, Heuer, and others. So yeah, they definitely do have some experience in cases. As you can see here on the side, it has the Squale there. It looks great, and these lugs are just fantastic. I'm sure this watch will fit great. On the back here, it looks the same as on the 60 Atmos, except it says 50 Atmos because this only has a water resistance rating of 500 meters. Inside of this watch, you will find a top grade ETA 2824, so it is one hell of a workhorse. It is going to last for a long time, and when you do need to service the watch, it's not going to be that expensive, and it's going to be easy to find a watchmaker willing to service your watch. Now, as this is the top grade of the ETA 2824, it should be regulated, which means that it's going to be keeping quite great time. Maybe not within COSC, but definitely very close to it, if not actually within COSC limits. I'm going to have to check that out over the next few days, and of course I will let you know how it performs in the final review of this watch. Now, we do have a signed rubber strap here. It is perforated, and we have a signed and quite great looking buckle too. So yeah, the last thing that remains is putting this bad boy on the wrist. Oh, and also I would like to mention that if you guys would like a comparison video between the 60 Atmos and the 50 Atmos, please do let me know, and I'll make sure to make that happen. Now, the Omega is off, and yes, I do have a watch tan. All right, here we go. Now it is on my wrist, and it is looking fantastic. This is actually supposed to have a diameter of 42 millimeters, although it feels a lot more like maybe a 40 millimeter watch, because it almost feels smaller than my 41 millimeter Omega. I'm not complaining though. I do like this size of a watch. It just looks amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it. And with that said, I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.